This is the 2-pack of Morento air purifiers. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. Came packaged great, and you can see me unboxing it over here, and you're going to want to pay attention because you'll see where the power cable is inside of there. First off, it has a great look to it. They come in 3 different colors. I got the white one here, so it's going to blend in wherever I want to put it in my house. Each one of these is about 11 inches tall and 6.5 inches wide, and it's circular, as you can see. They're super lightweight, so they're easy to place and move around if I need to do that. So inside of this box here, you're obviously going to get 2 air purifiers, an easy to read instruction manual. You're going to get a quick start guide that tells you what to do the first time you use it. And inside of here, you're going to get about a 6-foot long power cable. So there's plenty of room on this. And the power cable plugs in right in the back right here. Super easy. Just plug it in, little light comes on, powers up, and you know you're good to go. Looking at the bottom here, you can see we have 4 non-slip rubber feet on here. And right when you first get this, you're going to want it, you've got open and close. This thing just turns. You're going to pull this open. And as you can see in my unboxing video up there, this filter is wrapped in plastic, and inside of the filter is where you're going to find your power cable. It's a 3-stage filter designed to trap dust, hair, and unwanted odors. There's a pre-filter layer on the outside that covers a true HEPA filter in the middle, and there's an activated carbon filter inside of here. They say that the filter will last about 2,000 hours and that a red light will let you know when it is time to replace it. And there's a filter reset button that you press and hold for 5 seconds to reset it. When you want to put the filter in, you just set it in there, put this on, and turn it to the right until it locks into place. Easy enough. When you turn the unit on, the purified air comes from the top. You can see here that there is a 360-degree air intake, so it's able to pull air from every side of the unit. Great for placement. They don't give us an exact square footage that the unit covers, but it did say that it would work in larger rooms. It's just going to take longer to do that. So let's get a look at the panel. First off, we have an on-off button right here. When you turn that on, it already starts into one of the fan speeds, and it has 3 adjustable speeds. You have 1F, 2F. When you hit it a 3rd time, it goes into sleep mode that runs at a quiet 22 decibels. You can barely hear it. And when you put it on sleep mode, the light in the back turns off and dims down to black after about 3 seconds. You can also manually turn this light off and on right here. And the light button is also, when you press and hold it for 5 seconds, that's the reset button. You can see it flashes red 3 times to let you know that it's reset the filter. The next button we have here is pretty simple. There's an auto shut-off timer that you can set to 2, 5, or 8 hours. There's an aromatherapy cap right here on the top that can be removed so that you can add drops of fragrances if that's something that you like to do. Nice little rubber cap in there. So it's super easy to do that, and you just snap it back into place. So there you go, not 1 but 2 air purifiers that would be great to help out with pet dander and odors for bedrooms, apartments, dorms, offices, a bathroom, the kitchen, anywhere you want really. Very nice.